Board exam presentation tips. Today we're going to be talking about one of the most important examinations and what has to be done during the examination. What has to be followed in that particular examination to ace it. So first of all, the preparation is a must. Even though you decorate your paper so well, you present your paper so well, but the content stays clear up to the par. It has to be staying up to the par for you to be ace in your examination because your content clarity is a must. Even though you decorate your paper, draw lines and do everything, your content has to be clear and concise. Only when your content is concise, you can see that your paper will be evaluated and you can ace the examination. This is something very important, but this is not taken into accountance. A lot of people think about what has to be done in extra for your paper to look outstanding, but your content clarity, for the content to be concise, that is very important. So first of all, looking at what you have to do extra. You're done with the studying part, you just have to make your content better. In such a stage, you are going to be doing the first pointer, which is using blue pen and black pen. That's just it. You have to be highlighting every single heading with a black pen and you have to be writing the content with a blue pen. That is a must. Another point which you have to do is that drawing lines under every single topic. So if you're going to be writing a long answer, you have to be drawing a single line under every single heading and a double line in the end of every question. That's just to identify which question is which, and this is a must because when you're actually correcting paper, those lines are really going to be making a key impact. And another thing is that scribbling or overwriting or scribbling is a very common thing which most of the students do, just like how I and you do. All of us do this, but we have to stop this practice. This is not good at all. This is going to be making your entire sheet. If you do one scribbling or one overwriting in just one word of the entire page, that's going to be making the whole page look worse. That's going to be destroying the marks which you're going to be getting for your answer. And this is not good for you. And another thing which you have to be following is that, as I mentioned before, your content has to be staying inside whatever the topic is. Your content should not beat around the bush. You just have to be stay concise under what your topic is going to be. And another thing is that not exceeding the word limit. Your word limit has to be followed. The word limit is exactly something which you have to be following. If it's going to be 100 to 120 words, you have to be writing only 100 to 120 words. If you're going to be writing 250 words, you're going to be getting the same mark. Actually, your marks are going to be reduced because you have to be following inside the word limit. You cannot write 30 to 40 words or 200 to 250 words. If it's going to be 100 to 120 words, and you just have to stick with it. This is just small things which you have to be following in your board exam presentation. That's going to be keeping your paper something outstanding, and this will be helping you to ace your examination. This is Yashwan signing off for today. Just all the best for your board examination. As I told before, you have to be preparing first of all for acing your board examination more than decorating your paper in a good way. Just follow these and you'll be getting good results. Good results, yeah, more than what you expect. This is exactly what you need. This is the roadway, but you just have to travel through it in the right way. I'll see you all tomorrow in a new video. Bye, see you later. It's me, Yashwan, signing off. Peace out.